Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Howdy, me there again. And me have enough sitting fi tell you no today. Like, Patwa no have no TH word in it. No sir. Them no put T with H in a Patwa. That our English sound. So we no say the, this, that, and with. This is how we say it. The, this, that, and with. Anyway, we now teach the lesson here today. That of you another time. Me go chat about my family. So, uno listen good. And me go chat about my family first. As so, uno will learn how to chat about uno family too. So, uno listen. My mother and father come from Africa. My father family come from Africa too, but they mix up with British and Irish. And that go on. And my mother and father have 8 away. That are 8 picnic. So me have 3 brother and 4 sister. And guess what? All of we pretty, you see? We're pretty can done. I choose something that. One more thing, me go chat about today. And that one need a vowel. So me go back to the book. See ya? Easy steps to learn Jamaican Patwa. And me go up on page 24 to choose one other vowel. Good. Me choose the vowel I. So uno look good. Uno think of this one? No sir. This one say E. Now, E are the short sound in a Patwa. But this one say I. So these are the real I sound in a Patwa. Look on some word where have the I sound in a them. Uno feel look good on the spellings. Yes man, look on the spellings. Ice cream. Yum yum. Bright light. Lifeline. Why? Now, why is a question that we ask all the time. But now look how it's spelled. W-A-I. That is the Patwa why. Now, me go show you 3 words where have the same exact sound but different spellings in English. See them there? C-I-T-E, sight. S-I-T-E, sight. S-I-G-H-T, sight. Now, look how we spell them 3 words there in a Patwa. S-A-I-T. 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 So all of them words there have the same spellings in a patois. Why? Because all of them have the same sound in them. So remember me tell you this. And the sound. It are the key to Jamaican Creole. Me a tap now. Enough something we chat about today. So we don't have enough something to study. Tap and catch no breath. Next time me give uno the rest. What good?